Netgear AC1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. Step 1. Unbox the router. Ensure you have the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Position the router. Place it in a central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Power on the router. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Step 4. Connect to the modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port, yellow. Step 5. Join the default Wi-Fi. Use the SSID and password from the router's label to connect your device. Step 6. Access the setup page, open a browser and go to http://www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Step 7. Run the Netgear Genie Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the Internet. Step 8. Set up Wi-Fi name and password, change the SSID and set a strong password. Step 9. Secure the router, change the default admin password and enable firmware updates. Step 10. Test the connection, restart the router, reconnect devices, and verify Internet access.